Did you know that the fastest animal on Earth, the peregrine falcon, has inspired modern aircraft? This bird can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour during its hunting dive, thanks to its streamlined, teardrop-shaped body and pointed wings. Fighter jets, like the F-16, use similar wing shapes for speed and agility. Engineers have even studied the Falcon's dive mechanics to design planes that handle extreme pressure changes smoothly. Its quiet, efficient flight has also influenced stealth technology, seen in aircraft like the B-2 Spirit and the F-22 Raptor, which are designed to fly fast and undetected. Nature's perfect blueprint for high-speed flight. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.